Are you constantly plagued by the uncomfortable symptoms of hyperacidity? Hyperacidity, also known as acid reflux or heartburn, occurs when the acid in your stomach flows back into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation and discomfort. While over-the-counter medications can provide temporary relief, there are also natural remedies you can try to alleviate hyperacidity symptoms. In this blog post, we'll explore 5 effective natural remedies that can help you find relief and restore balance to your digestive system. Number 1. Ginger. Nature's soothing remedy ginger has long been hailed for its medicinal properties, including its ability to calm an upset stomach. Its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties can help reduce hyperacidity symptoms. You can consume ginger in various forms, such as ginger tea, ginger candies, or even fresh ginger slices steeped in hot water. Incorporate ginger into your daily routine to experience its soothing effects on your digestive system. Number 2. Cooling aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is not only refreshing but also beneficial for managing hyperacidity. Known for its cooling properties, a small amount of aloe vera juice can provide relief from the burning sensation caused by excessive stomach acid. Be sure to choose pure aloe vera juice without any added sugars or artificial additives. Sip on a small amount of aloe vera juice before or after meals to help soothe your stomach. Number 3. Chamomile tea. Nature's calming elixir chamomile tea is renowned for its calming properties and can be particularly effective in alleviating hyperacidity symptoms. The gentle nature of chamomile can help reduce inflammation in the stomach and promote relaxation. Sip on a cup of chamomile tea after meals or whenever you experience discomfort to ease acid reflux symptoms naturally. Number 4. Lifestyle modifications for digestive harmony. In addition to natural remedies, certain lifestyle modifications can play a crucial role in managing hyperacidity. First, identify trigger foods. Pay attention to your diet and identify foods that trigger your hyperacidity symptoms. Spicy or fatty foods, citrus fruits, coffee, carbonated drinks, and alcohol are common culprits. Limit or avoid these items to prevent acid reflux. Second, eat smaller, frequent meals. Instead of consuming large meals, opt for smaller, more frequent meals to reduce the pressure on your stomach and minimize acid production. Third, avoid lying down after eating. Wait at least 2 to 3 hours after a meal before lying down or going to bed. This helps prevent stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. Fourth, maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can contribute to hyperacidity. Engage in regular exercise and maintain a healthy weight to reduce the risk of acid reflux. Number 5. When to seek professional advice. If your hyperacidity symptoms persist despite trying natural remedies and lifestyle modifications, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide a proper diagnosis, offer personalized recommendations, and determine if further medical intervention is necessary. In summary, hyperacidity can be a bothersome condition, but there are natural remedies that can provide relief and restore balance to your digestive system. Incorporate ginger, aloe vera juice, and chamomile tea into your routine, and consider making lifestyle modifications to manage hyperacidity effectively. Remember, if your symptoms persist, it's always best to seek professional advice. Take control of your digestive health and bid farewell to hyperacidity discomfort naturally. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content and found it valuable, I would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified whenever I release new videos, ensuring you never miss out on the latest updates.